everyone. My name is Keisha from Kmo Artsy Journals, and for more art and journal inspiration, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at that handle. I love learning new things, and for the past year, I have really been interested in bird watching. Bird watching, also known as birding, is the recreational activity of observing various species of birds in their natural habitats. Bird watching can also take place in various environments, such as parks and forests. So today, we are creating a Learn Everything About One Thing page. And for the purposes of this video, my topic will be covering the northern cardinal. To get started, here's what you'll need. So what is a Learn Everything About One Thing page? A Learn Everything About One Thing page is an immersive learning experience where an individual dedicates time to deeply explore a single topic. The purpose of this project is to gain a comprehensive understanding of that subject, often by researching various topics such as the subject's history, current trends, or characteristics. I have a deep love and fascination for animals and nature, and I also enjoy learning new things. So, creating a space for this project in my journal is truly immeasurable. For me, the benefits of a project such as this will surely add to a greater appreciation for animals and nature, as well as providing an opportunity for me to use my creativity. Additionally, it can foster a sense of curiosity and a joy for lifelong learning. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about how I'm designing my Learn Everything About One Thing page. The design of your page is totally up to you. You can dedicate more than one page to create this project, and it can also be tailored to your preferred learning style. I have chosen to use a jot method. This method is very informal, which is perfect for adding more information over time, and it allows more space for me to add art. Next, I have a few topics that you could use to help you get started. In my Learn Everything About One Thing page, I have chosen to highlight the following. And as you can see, I have also added my art to the page for a personal touch. Now for a few more details with my colored pencil. And now I'll be using my acrylograph pen for the finishing details. I decided to add an illustration of the female northern cardinal to my page, and I'm so glad that I did. The female has pale brown feathers with red tips, a stark contrast from the male cardinal who has red feathers all over. Both the male and female cardinals have a vibrant orange beak made for cracking seeds. Another little fun fact about cardinals are that they are known for their strong pair bonds, often remaining together throughout the year and even breeding for several seasons. Now for a few more details, and we're done. Thank you for checking out my tips on making your very own Learn Everything About One Thing page. I hope that you have found some inspiration in this video. Be sure to check out the free printable available with the blog, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.